Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Viratian. I am Arvind and today I will be showing how to change the battery of the key fob of the Maruti cars such as the Baleno, S-Cross or the Ciaz. So the battery has come around 2 years, 3 months for the Baleno, and you can change the battery by yourself by just having a screwdriver, and you have to remove this and then you can change the battery. So the battery cost around 60 to 100 rupees as you can get from the stores rather than buying online and waiting it for a long time. So there will be also an indication in the car to change the battery of the key fob since it has got down. So let's see how to change the battery, and it will take only just 1 minute. So now I'll show how the indication comes in the car in the multi infotainment system for changing the battery of the key fob. So this is how it shows key fob low battery. So the battery of the key fob still works even if it shows low battery, but it's better to change the battery since when you go on a long ride it may not be a good decision to take a key fob which has low battery and it might stop working. So this is how the multi-infotainment system display shows after the change of the cell or the battery of the key fob. So it has really come around 2 years and 3 months of both the keys. Even the other key was not used. It has also got the low battery now. So it's better to change before it gets totally dead and cause any harm when you are out of the station.